Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the review of the Poco X2 device after using more than 100 days of usage. So during this time, I'll try to go through each and every topic which I written down in the paper, as you can see here. And as I said, I did upload so many videos on this Poco X2 device, close to 250 videos I uploaded on this device, and this is the most intense testing I did on any other smartphone. So on this Poco X3 I did do so much of testing, as you can see here. So close to 243 videos only on this single phone which I did, and so many videos tested multiple times in terms of gaming, battery, camera, vibration, loudspeaker, and the display as well. So many testing and so many tips and tricks and so much of information I already uploaded in so many videos. So better make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also do let me know in the comments below, friends, what is your experience of using the Poco X3 device during this journey. So what are the pros and what are the cons, and what are the things need to be improved? Something, if you want to say anything about the Poco X3, just let me know in the comments below. So how is my videos helpful to you? So is my videos are very inspirational to you to buy this Poco X3 or not? So let me know in your thoughts in the comments below, so I can go through the comments and I can read just all the comments and your experience using the Poco X3. So let's get started, friends. The first thing I'll be talking about the software updates, and during these 3 months of usage I did receive close to 3 to 4 updates in this device from the starting to till now. So in terms of the software updates, it was pretty good consistent, and I cannot talk much about the software updates unless I'm using the phone for more than 1 year. So then I can actually discuss about more about this thing, software updates thing. So during this mini usage, close to 3 months and 100 days, I did receive 3 updates in the phone. So that's all I can say about the software updates at the moment. And next, regarding the performance, the phone has got the Snapdragon 732G processor, so which is in the beginning, even I did expect a lot from this processor, but unfortunately you cannot expect much from this processor. But don't get me wrong, friends, all the medium to kind of close to heavy gaming is possible, but you cannot expect it higher frame rates. So for example, let me take the one of the game which I am talking about is Ace Force, which has a 120 fps support test as well. But right now, because of the processor, the fps is limited only to the 90 fps. So right now I won't be able to get more than 90 fps here in this gameplay, even though the game supports 120 fps. So because of the Snapdragon 732G processor, and right now I do have the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G device, so which has a Snapdragon 750G. So same game I tried in this phone, and the 120 fps mark has been successfully achieved. So this is what I can say from the processor. It's pretty good for the medium kind of gaming. It's definitely good and no issues. Even the Antutu benchmark score is about 2,72,000. So overall, friends, in the performance wise, I'm quite okay and satisfied. No issue, because I'm not a that heavy gamer. So definitely I do not require that kind of higher fps. So just the moderate to medium gaming, that is what I require. So I'm very happy with this phone. So no issues at all in terms of the performance. And next is the battery life. So before the battery, so battery life got a little bit decreased from the starting to begin right now. So before I used to get the screen on time close to maybe 6 hours or 7 hours, but right now I'm getting only 5 to 6 hours of screen on time. So that is what happens when the software updates come to this Poco devices or the Redmi phones. The battery life will be decreasing. That is the first effect which will be observed. So even in the few of the Realme phones as well, that is what happened with the Realme updates. So the battery life is the one which will be impacted a lot because of this software updates thing going on. So even the same thing I did experience during this time software updates, the performance slightly increased, but the battery life slightly decreased. So this is a kind of mixed feelings, and the charging speed is also constant, so there is no decrease in the charging speed. So do let me know in the comments below, friends, what are your thoughts about the battery life of the Poco X3 from the starting to till now. Is it decreased or increased? So next is the display. So display is also another next area where I did particularly like about the Poco X3 and I don't like. So first thing what I like is the 120 Hz refresh rate. The 120 Hz refresh rate is really useful and really good. So that is one thing which I like. And other thing which I don't like is that IPS panel. So usually I'm fan of very good AMOLED panels, but I don't like the IPS LCD panels. But in the phone there's a hidden feature for the enhancement mode and the color boosting as well. So by using that you can actually increase the colors a lot, significant colors. So that is what I did review in my so many videos explaining how you can do that. So make sure to check that video for the tips and tricks on the display about the Poco X3 device, so you may be knowing more about the phone. So overall, by using the software thing, it got much changes in this phone. So definitely, in case if you did not watch that video, make sure to watch that video, tips and tricks on the Poco X3 display. Just type in the YouTube, you'll get my video. So just watch it and you will definitely be impressed by the display quality. So the software is the one thing which boosted a lot in terms of the display. So overall, in terms of the display also I'm very happy. So the things which I'm very happy is in the displays I'm very happy, and in the battery life little happy, and even in the performance also little kind of happy. So next is the camera. So camera is another segment where few of the users, they do like the camera and few of them doesn't like the camera at all. So in my experience friends, I did like the camera overall for the medium quality images, so that you cannot expect much higher quality images from this phone, but definitely for the medium kind of usage, the images are really good, so no issues. The dynamic color range is also really good in this shot. So definitely for the medium kind of usage, photography is possible in this phone. So not only the hardware but also software thing is also mainly important for nowadays smartphones. So where the Poco X3 has got so many plenty of features which has the software features, like the front and back camera recording and the long exposure shot and the V-log shot, as you can see, and the short video as well, and the clone one. So there are so many software thing and customization which you can do in this device, so which will be helping you a lot in terms of improving the image quality overall. But overall in terms of the camera, I can give the average rating for this Poco X3 device. So in terms of the camera, this is my experience friends. And next is a build quality. So this is where most of the people, they're really disappointed, and some people they did like, some people they don't like, but most of the ratio is they don't like about the build quality in this phone. So first major thing is the weight of the device. So because of the addition of the 6000 mAh of battery, the phone weight feels too much heavy for the long time gaming as well. That's one major thing. And next disappointment is that because of the vibrations of the loudspeaker, but I did a video on that one, how to decrease the vibrations in Poco X3. So try to search that video, you'll get my video and you will know how to decrease the vibrations. But if you don't use any those kind of tricks, the vibrations will be on the back panel throughout the time whenever you're listening to the music with a high volume. So these where the things are kind of tricky, and in terms of the vibrations you can decrease, but in terms of weight you cannot decrease in this phone. So you need to deal with this 223 grams weight of the phone throughout the time. And build quality, like dual speaker setup is also really good, and expandable memory is also another advantage here. So overall I did like the phone, and even there is a LED notification light on the top, so that is also another advantage. So this is a quick review about the Poco X3 device friends, after using for close to 100 days of usage. So in the final conclusion is that, is it worth to buy or not? I can definitely say it's worth to buy, and it all depends upon the price what they are offering right now, if there is any discounts or not. So if you can get the Poco X3 device for about close to 15,000, then definitely it is 100% worth. I think right now you can get about 15,000 by using the SBI card. So definitely it's definitely worth for the 15,000. You are getting 120 Hz refresh rate, very good processor, and 240 Hz touch sampling rate, and 33 watt fast charging dual speakers as well, as you can see friends, and very good software optimization for the gaming as well, and real-time FPS meter which you can get here. And that's all friends, is my impressions about this device. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. And thank you friends for watching this video. Do let me know in the comments below about your thoughts about the Poco X3 device. So I'll see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.